Hey everyone, it's Kim the Homeschooling Grammy, and today I am going to do an unboxing, a homeschool curriculum unboxing. So if you are interested, please stick around and we will get started. Disclaimer, this is only the first video that I'm going to have for an unboxing. This one will be fairly short. The next one, if you're a coffee drinker, which I'm not, grab yourself a cup of coffee because we're going to be a while. I'm so excited to share this stuff. Okay, so this first little tidbit came from Amazon, and this is what we are going, one of the things. All of this stuff is stuff that we're going to be using. I'm going to get into way more detailed videos that are coming up really soon. I'm going to be a part of a collaboration where I'm going to be sharing what I'm using in language arts, what I'm using for math, what I'm using for history and geography and Bible, and all of that good stuff is coming up in the near future. So this is just an unboxing. So here's the first little doodad. Like I hadn't even opened these till today. So I got this beginning cursive for confident and creative girls. So that's one of the goodies that I just opened. And my other box of goodies right here came from Rainbow Resource. I love Rainbow Resource. So let me show you what I got from Rainbow Resources. I got Building Spelling Skills 4. I got Learning Language Arts Through Literature, the Orange Book Teacher's Edition, along with the Student Activity Book. Also, in my little Rainbow Resource haul, I got Writing with Ease Workbook Level 3. So, that's my first little haul. Told you it wasn't going to be very long. It's going to be very quick, but be prepared because my second unboxing is going to take a considerable amount of time. Do I have you wondering what it is? Good. That means you're going to have to stick around to find out. I'm also going to be doing a review of the Writing with Ease Level 2. I'm going to be doing a video of that really soon, so make sure you stick around for that as well. I hope that this was a blessing to you, and like I said, I'm so super excited. I love this time of year. I love getting new homeschool material. So God bless and take care, and I am going to see you in the next video.